Thursday. What's going on? Today is social media tools, where we're gonna discuss about one of the tools on social media that is gonna help you amplify your brand and continue bringing customers and leads inside of your business. All right. And so this tool is Facebook Live Producer. All right. This is an amazing tool that Facebook has given us, but it's very underutilized. And so in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this tool, you can use it to your advantage. If you're already doing Facebook Live, awesome. If you're not doing Facebook Lives, this is something that you want to try, start using to amplify your brand. All right. My name is Neris Wagogo, and I help entrepreneurs, network marketers, online marketers use social media to build a profitable business. All right. So let me know down in the comments, are you doing Facebook Lives? What is your fear of doing Facebook Live? Because this tool is all about Facebook Lives and how you can utilize it, okay? I don't know if you guys are familiar with Live Producer on Facebook, okay? I know a lot of us, we will like to go on Facebook, just click the button and go live. But this Facebook Live Producer tool, and actually this tool is only available, hey daddy, it's only available if you have a business page. That's another reason for you to go ahead and get a business page, because this is where you can use this tool. All right. So I'm going to be sharing my screen in a few minutes, but before that, the Facebook Live Producer on your business page, why is it, what are the benefits, or why is so important? Guys, I also use Facebook. Like I usually go on my live on my personal phone, but until recently I realized, oh my God, I am missing, I'm missing a lot if I'm not using the this tool, Live Studio Producer, that Facebook has given us. Number one reason why you want to use the Live Producer is because Facebook favors people who use their tools. Like Facebook will give you more reach and more people gonna see your content. Number one is if you are using their tools, if you are using their features. A lot of Facebook gonna give you more organic reach towards that. And anytime they release new features, you're gonna be among the first people who gonna have access to that, to those features, because you have shown interest of using their product. All right. So number one thing, if you don't use currently, if you're not using Live Producer, if you're not using Facebook features that are being released by them, it's of your benefit to start using them. All right. The second reason why you want to use the Live Producer tool that Facebook is giving us is because it's giving us some features. It has added, and I'm going to show you guys, it has added some more features that's going to help you in increasing engagement and interaction with your customers, interaction with your audience. So it's going to have more, what is it called? You're going to have more interaction with your customers and your audience. All right. So guys, let me go. I'm gonna share my screen, and Mr. Jeremy is here. Here, daddy. Go watch your screen. This is the life of being a mom. So I'm gonna share my screen right quick. Let me go back here. I'm gonna share my screen and show you guys how this tool is working. Live Producer. And probably you might need to put your phone like on horizontal way, so that you're able to see as I go through these features. Okay. And let me know down in the comment, drop me a comment if you're able to see, if you can hear me, so that I know I'm live actually. Right. So the tool is Facebook live.create. So let me go over here. So you may be wondering, how did you even get there, right? So number one is I already have a business page, which if you're running a business on social media, it's of importance to have a business page. You can completely run your business on, on personal, but you get more benefits if you're using, you have more, more reach, more people you can reach with a business page. On your personal page, you only have 5,000. On business page, you have limitless. So it's important to have a business page, right? And so how did I go? How did I get here, right? So how I got here is, you see down here we have the create, right? We have this is where you get to your live producer. All right, so I'm just gonna click on that live producer, right? And I know we are all accustomed to, doing, going with the phone. The phone, it's easier. It's easier to go live on the phone. But I'm telling you guys, this is so super, super. Let me see. This is super, super important if you're not using it. Let me go here. And so I'm gonna ask as well. So, the features, okay? I'm not going live with this one because I'm already live. I'm already live. So here, look at this. You can, number one, you have capability with going live. You are able to schedule lives here, right? Let's say you want to go live tomorrow at 9 a.m. You are able to schedule live here and create event. This is awesome because what you can do is, if you already have an email list, if you have, you want to notify your audience, you can create an event, and Facebook will notify your people, your audience, that you're gonna be live tomorrow, so they're gonna be waiting for that. That's one thing you cannot do, using a personal page. So this is awesome here. Like, you can come here and create your, you can say, I'm going live a particular day. You can schedule tomorrow morning, and it's scheduled. You're gonna see it on your business page as a scheduled event. That one, you can set that event to your, to your audience. I think that's awesome, right? So that's one thing you can do. The other awesome thing that I found about this producer is, you can actually go live to, if you have a group. Let's say you already have a business page. You already have a business page, and you want to, you have a business page, you have a Facebook group where you nurture your audience, or where you nurture your leads, you continue to add value to those people. This is the perfect place to, to share them. Let's say, for like right now, I have multiple groups, right? So this live, if I go live right now on my business page, I can, parallelly share into my pages group. Again, those groups have to be attached to your business page. Okay, like you have like on your home, if you have a business page, you have a section of groups that are linked or attached to your business page. Those groups are here, so you can actually go live at the same time. That's one thing you cannot do if you're only on a personal page. And here's the thing, right now they are only allowing groups, but you can also do multiple pages. You can cross post to more pages. How excellent is that? Right now, if you're able to do multiple streaming, you have to use other tools. Like, you have to have other software to be able to do multiple streams in other platforms. But if Facebook is allowing you to, to multiple stream in multiple pages, that's awesome. You can reach more audience, you can reach more people, you can repurpose your content. Instead of going live, I go live on, on my business page, I go live on my another page, I go live on another Facebook page, you can do them all together in this one place. How amazing is that? That's awesome, right? That is awesome. The other thing also you can do here is, you can actually, target different people, or you can allow particular your content to be seen in particular countries. You can allow your content to be seen, to just probably just US, right? Whatever you can do, you can also restrict your content from being seen in other countries. Sometimes you post a content because your page is public, it goes to different countries and you get weird comments, or you get these people who are crazy coming to your page. So you don't want that, right? So how you can restrict that, is by being able to control that right there. All right. Now let's continue, because there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys here. Like it's just amazing. Let's go live. Now the other thing you can do, and this is where the particular part of engagement comes in. Facebook want more interaction. Facebook want more conversation getting started. So think about Facebook, why Facebook added this thing. Right now, when you're doing a Facebook Live, I can actually put a poll. Like for example, I can ask you guys, do you use Facebook Live? Do you use Facebook Producer? Do you use Facebook whatever? Or what it is are you struggling with, right? And so when you do that poll, you are able to start a conversation with the people who are watching, right? So you are getting conversation, you are starting conversation with your audience, but also what is that doing for you? It's telling you their needs. So you are able to utilize this tool as you're doing your Facebook Live. You are asking questions, right? And then you are getting more data that you can use to, to help your audience. You can help your audience with whatever they're asking for. The power of this thing is, if you are utilizing a paid strategy, or if you're using boosted post to reach more people, imagine how many people will do a vote, particularly based on that question that you have done that, or the poll that you have done that. And the beauty of this is, these polls, they go straight into your messenger. So once they go straight into your messenger, you are able again to follow, continue talking with your leads, right? Guess what? You are getting these leads, they are raising their hands. You didn't even have to what is it called? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, guys, sorry. This is motherhood right here. All right. So you're able to communicate more with your leads. You're able to start questions. So we have, guys, here we have polls, so you can ask multiple questions. Or also you can ask yourself, you can type your own questions, right? Let's say you can type a question. Let's say, what is the number one social media tool, right? You can ask that question. And based on that question, as you are going live, as you're talking during lives, people will start engaging with that particular poll or particular question. So that's awesome. Now, guys, here's the thing. You can also, if you are more advanced, like you are advanced, you wanna stream to multiple platforms. Like, let's say, for example, you want your Facebook Live to be seen on YouTube. There are so many other great platforms. This user stream key here, Facebook it's helping you, it's generating this user stream key, so that you can pick this key and go and use it in whichever platform that you're using. There are so many softwares out there that you can use to multiple stream into different locations. All right, so that's the amazing power of using this powerful tool. Guys, I am one person who just like to go live on my phone, because I think it's easier, it's quicker and all that. But this is a great tool, because number one, you get to, as you keep using it more and more time, Facebook will push your content, you get more reach, because it's like, oh, she's using more of this tool, So let's show her content to more people so that more people can use the same tool, right? So Facebook like that. Facebook is all about pushing their own brand. So you're helping them do that one thing, right? The second thing is you're increasing engagement with using those tools, right? In the features they have, the questions, the polls, scheduling your Facebook Live or whatever it is that you're using inside that tool. Facebook is gonna favor you, and you're gonna get more reach, more engagement. You yourself, you're gonna get leads, because as you start asking those questions, be very strategic with the question that you're posting there, so that your audience or your leads can raise their hand and say, "Oh, I need help with that. I need that. I need that." You try the tools the right way, right? The other thing also is, being able to multiple stream into different platforms. Here's the thing: this is a paid strategy or a paid feature. In other, if you're using, especially if you're gonna use this Ustream key. Ustream key is you use it to another software platform, like I think it's OBS. There are so many different streaming platforms that you can use. You can use to publish to multiple platforms, so that one, like you do one Facebook Live, is being streamed in different platforms. So that's another thing that you can use instead of doing content. You have that one tool, a one-stop tool, one-stop shop for all your live your live content, your live streaming. All right, so guys, I hope you found value. Let me know down in the comments if you're already using Live Studio. How do you find it? Is it user friendly for you? Do you like it? How is it for you? And have you seen a different have you seen any difference when it comes to, have you seen any difference in terms of engagement, or has it helped you get more reach? Let me know down in the comments. I'll be curious to know. If you haven't used it, that's okay. Try to familiarize yourself with this awesome tool. Go in there. Like for me, when I was testing this tool, I usually have I have my own, I have a different, what is it called? I have a page that is just, is for testing. I go there and I just test things out. And that one of those things was this one. Like, I was testing things out. Like, I was like, you know what? Um, I am going to test this thing out. I am going to see how it works. Like, you don't have to be live on your pages. You can just be going live on your Facebook group and test things out. Let me tell you, Facebook is super, super crucial when it comes to pushing their own brand. So utilize the tools that they have. So today we covered the live stream studio. Next week we're gonna have another tool that we're gonna utilize to amplify our own brand. So guys, I hope you have found value. If you found value, hashtag value down in the comments. Even a question, just drop them there in the comments as well, and I'm gonna read to them sometime later. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.